Hello everyone, today we are going to solve for solid lines. So first we will solve voltage. So voltage is equals to Q over C. So here given we have Q which is equals to 4 picocoulombs or 4 times 10 to the negative 12 charge in the plate. So here we have mu or permittivity of the space which is equals to 8.85 times 10 to the negative 12 farad over meter. And then we have area which is equals to 2 centimeters squared or 2 times 10 to the negative 4 meters squared. And then lastly we have the distance which is 2 millimeter or 2 times 10 to the negative 3 meters. Now we will solve for C which is equals to EO times A over D. We just substitute the values which is 8.85 times 10 to the negative 12 times 2 times 10 to the negative 4 over 2 times 10 to the negative 3. Let's calculate this. The value of C is 8.85 times 10 to the negative 13 farads. And then we will solve for the voltage, which is formula is Q over C. We just substitute the values 4 times 10 to the negative 12 over 8.85 times 10 to the negative 13. This will be equals to 4.52 volts. So next we will solve to E. We will solve for the N. So we have the given inductance or L is equals to 0.285 millihenry or 0.285 times 10 to the negative 3 Henry. Then we have the permeability free space or MO which is equals to 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 Henry over meter. We have the area which is 6 times 10 to the negative 4 meters squared. Then we have the length or small n which is equals to 36 centimeter or 0.36 meter. Then to solve for the L, we will use the formula MO times N squared A times A over length. Then we will just manipulate the problem is N squared is equals to L times MOA. Then we'll just substitute the values. N squared is equals to 0.25 times 10 to the negative 3 Henry times 0.36 meter over 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 Henry over meter times 6 times 10 to the negative 4 meter squared. We'll just, and then we will square root the values to get Bn. Square root of n squared is equals to square root of 1.36 times 10 to the 5. Then it will be 4 is equals to 3.69 thirds. Then we have 2b. The given EMF or electromotive force which is equals to negative 12.5 millivolts or negative 12.5 times 10 to the negative 3 volts. Then we have the inductance or L which is equals to 0.285 millihenry or 0.285 times 10 to the negative 3 Henry. Then to solve for the EMF, we will use the formula negative L times di over dt. Then we will just derive it. So we have di over dt is equals to negative EMF over L. Then we substitute the values which is negative 12 times 0.5 times 10 to the negative 3 over 0.285 times 10 to the negative 3. Then we have di over dt is equals to 43.86 ampere per second.